Hello. All right, for our math, we are ready to start three-digit addition today. Yay! Who's excited? Okay, good. Me too. Now, just like with any addition, when we're adding three-digit numbers, we always start in our ones place. And then we add our tens place and then our hundreds place. Okay, so we're going to do a couple of examples together today, right now, and then I'll have you work on your math page, okay? So we're going to start, I'm going to tell you a little story, because why do we learn math? Well, we need it. We have to figure things out all the time using math, and I have to tell you, I can remember being like a little kid, like in first grade like you guys, and I asked my teacher, I said, when am I ever actually going to need to do this? And she laughed, and I thought that was kind of rude. And she said, oh, Laura, you're going to need this all the time. And what's funny is now as I'm a grown-up, I understand why she laughed, because I do math all the time to figure things out. Cooking dinner, I have to do math if I'm adjusting a recipe, balancing the budget, all those things. So you guys are getting ready to learn some great skills, so you can do that. Okay, so here's our first story. Sam and his brother deliver newspapers each day. On Sunday, they deliver 153 newspapers. On Monday, they deliver 142 newspapers. How many newspapers do they deliver in 2 days? So the first thing we need to do is, what's our question? Well, how many newspapers did the boys deliver in 2 days? Okay. We know what information we're given, right? On Sunday, they deliver 153 papers, and on Monday, they deliver 142 papers. So are we going to add or subtract to find our answer? Yes, we're going to add. How do you know? Right, because it's asking us to join the two sets to find the total number delivered in 2 days. We're not doing a comparison, so we're not subtracting. It's asking us to know how many altogether in the 2 days. So that means we're going to add. All right, so let's take our information that we know. How many papers did they deliver on Sunday? Very good. They deliver 153 newspapers. So we're going to put that right here. 100, don't have your pencil, move all over the place, 53, right? Plus, how many do they deliver on Monday? That's right, 142 plus 142. Now I'm using our hundreds chart to help me, okay? And you can do that too. So here's our ones, here's our tens, here's our hundreds. What do we always add first? That's right, our ones. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Very good. What do we always add next? Our tens. Very good. 5 plus 4 is 9. Excellent. And then what do we always add after that? Our hundreds. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Very good. So how many papers did they deliver in those 2 days? 295 papers. Great job. You guys ready to try another one? Okay, let me clean my board. Okay, so our next story, okay? Digit collected data from the people in Madison. He asked them whether they read the news online or in a newspaper. 261 people said they read the news online. 115 people said they read the news in a newspaper. How many people did Digit survey? Well, we know we're going to add, right? Because it's asking for how many people all together. So that's adding. So let's look at our data, right? What do we know? What are our facts? Well, 261 people said they read the news online. So that's 261. Now, how many people said they read their news in the newspaper? Very good, 115. 115. What do we add first? Our ones, very good. 1 plus 5 is 6, great job. What do we add next? Our tens. 6 plus 1 is 7, very good. Then what do we add next? That's right, our hundreds. 2 plus 1 is 3. So, how many people did Digit survey? 376 people. Very good. All right, I think you guys have got it. You ready to do some practice? Okay, so you're gonna take your math page and you're gonna look at page 281, all right? And you'll notice that you're getting to do some of this fun 3-digit addition. Are you guys excited? Yeah. So for number 1, 2, 3, and 4, you're gonna complete the addition problems, okay? They did the picture for you on the first one. You don't have to draw the pictures, but if that helps you, by all means, go ahead and do that, okay? Use any tools you need, right? Now, for number 5 and number 6, you're gonna use the clues to picture and write the numbers. So for these ones, you do have to draw the pictures, okay? Now remember, we draw hundreds like big squares. You don't have to do the crosshatches. You draw your tens, skinny rectangles. Again, you don't have to draw the lines. And then you draw your ones, little tiny squares, right? Okay, so you are gonna draw that here, and then you're gonna fill in the number that goes with what you drew that is the answer to that clue that they gave you, okay? For number 7, you need to write an addition problem for the story, just like what I did here, okay? Read the story and then fill in the answer, of course, at the end. Look at the back. Okay, on page 282, for number 1, you're gonna use the clues to picture and write the numbers. So you have to draw the pictures to go with the numbers and then write the correct answer. Okay, they give you some clues at the top of the boxes there. That's how you know your answer. Okay. For number 2, 3, and 4, you're gonna circle the number that matches the clues. So look closely, it's asking you what number's in the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, okay? For numbers 5, 6, and 7, you're gonna mark the value of the underlined digit, okay? So if I underlined my 7 here, what is the value of that digit? Well, it's in the tens place, so 7 tens is 70, right? So that would be what I would mark, that would be my answer, okay? Because that's the value of that digit. Okay, you guys can do it. And then down at the bottom, time to review. You're gonna count by tens. You're gonna write the missing numbers and you're gonna draw your tens and your ones to picture those missing numbers. So you have to write the missing numbers in the box and draw your tens and your ones to match those numbers. You guys are gonna do a fantastic job. I'll see you tomorrow.